up in the morning, I used to feel so bad. I got so sick of having sleepless nights, I went and told my dad. He said, son, I hear something, a little something. I stuck them on my wall, and now my nights ain't quite so lonely. In fact, I don't feel bad at all. I don't feel bad at all. Pictures of Lily made my life so wonderful. Pictures of Lily help me sleep at night. Pictures of Lily solve my childhood problems. Pictures of Lily help me feel alright. Pictures of Lily, Lily, oh Lily, Lily, oh Lily, Lily, oh Lily. And then one day things went quite so fine. I fell in love with Lily. I asked my dad where Willie I would find. He said, son, no, won't be silly. She'd been either dead since 20 now. How I cried that night. Really never thought this would be time. That wouldn't be alright. It would be alright. Pictures of Lily made my life so wonderful. Pictures of Lily help me sleep at night. Me and Lily are to be together in dreams. And as I ask you, hey mister, have you ever pictures of Lily? Close. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers back with you again for yet another hopefully interesting lesson. This one's from about 1967 I believe, and a song called Pictures of Lily from The Who, of course. Okay, standard tuning, doing it in the original key of C as per the recorded version. Okay, so hopefully you'll join me in a day or so for the breakdown. Thanks very much for watching and listening. See you soon. Bye for now.